Welcome to the J&J Auto Wrecking test video of S2CE363. Today we've got a 2002 GMC 1500HD, 188,000 miles on it. Smoked, absolutely clipped, but you still got it. Graphite interior, nice cloth. We got one power window with a problem. Some idiot left the damn door open. Alright, let's test some of this crap out. Climate control works, power mirrors. Janky switch, but they work. Obviously one window doesn't. Dang, the air conditioning's even still cold. LQ4 runs great, besides rubbing everywhere. Still got brake pedal. We got reverse. Goes into drive like nothing ever happened. If you guys are looking for any of the parts you may have seen in this video, head on over to our website. There'll be a link in the description down below.